Hello guys, so for this session 3 I would like you to go over the grammar that we already worked with in class. And well, just as a reminder, I just draw a quick chart on the board, okay, and I'm going to explain to you a little bit so that you can remember. Okay, we were working with the modal verbs have to, must, had to, don't have to, didn't have to, etc. Okay, so just for you to remember, okay, remember that for cases of obligation in which like there is a rule, for example, we use have to and must, which are pretty similar in meaning, but always in the present. Okay, have to and must. And remember that must doesn't have a past form, so if we want to talk about rules in the past, we need to use had to. Okay, this is for the obligation. As for when something is prohibited, when there is prohibition, okay, we use mustn't. Okay, remember that have to is a rule, but don't have to is not a prohibition. The prohibition is mustn't. Okay, as for when something is not necessary, remember that not necessary is not a synonym of prohibition. It means that it's not necessary to do something. You can do it, but it's not necessary. Okay, and we use don't have to. Or if we want to talk in the past, of course, as you know, didn't have to. The auxiliary verb changes. Instead of don't, didn't. Okay? Some examples. Obligation. I have to finish this video today, for example. I must fill in this form, for example. Yesterday, I had to go to the unemployment office, okay, for example, something that was an obligation. Prohibition, I mustn't speak in Spanish or Catalan in class, and you already know it. And when something is not necessary, I don't have to go to the supermarket because I have enough milk, but I want to get some more, so I'm going to go, but I don't have to, all right? Or the same example, but yesterday, I didn't have to go to the supermarket yesterday, but I went because I wanted some Coca-Cola. It was not an obligation, but I wanted to go, so I went. Okay, I didn't have to go, but I went. Right? Okay, so this is the grammar that we already worked with in class, and after that you will do the exercises that you were told to do on the guideline. Okay, remember, any question, email me or call the academy as it is said on the guideline. All right, see you guys.